Welcome everyone, Deronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm going to show you how to grill in husk corn on the cob. Absolutely fantastic, simple and easy to do. I've got 4 corn on the cobs here. I've cut off the stalk end. I've had these soaking in water for about 30 minutes. Make sure you put a heavy plate on the top to really immerse your corn on the cobs down into water and let it soak. I'm going to go ahead, cut off the end of each of our corn on the cobs. If you have little straggly pieces like this, you can just pull them off or use your scissors and trim them off. The idea is to leave the silks and the husk very tightly around your corn, so while it's grilling, it'll continue steaming the corn on the inside of the husk and the silks here. So off to the grill these go. I've got my grill preheated between 400 450 Fahrenheit. We're just going to open up the grill, start adding your corn right on the grill surface. The total time of cooking is anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes. We're going to let these cook for 10 minutes and then I'll show you how we're going to turn them. Close your lid. My first 10 minutes are up. Turn each corn 1/4 of a way around so we can cook this corn on the cob evenly. Grill for an additional 10 minutes, closing your grill lid, and it's time to turn 1/4 of a way and look how that husk is grilling. Woo! You want to make sure you keep an eye on your temperature, and we're going to give it an additional 10 minutes. Look at that husk, how it's just grilling right away, and that corn is just steaming there on the inside. This is going to be fantastic. Keep your grill lid closed. It's time to remove the corn off the grill. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Really be careful. It's super duper hot. Gotta show you what this corn looks like on the. Now you're saying it's burnt, but no, it's not burnt. That is what is going to give this corn fantastic flavor. So you see, it's just the outside of the husk that has that dark color on it. But look here on the inside. Oh yeah. Oh, and you talking about when you get that husk dark brown like that, you're going to get flavor like you can't believe on this corn. So I'm pulling it back. I take a paper towel. You just want to throw that away. And now we've got our corn on the cob. Add a little butter. Oh yeah. A little butter there. A little salt, pepper, or whatever else you want to put on it. I gotta give it a try. Wow. That is the best grilled in husk corn on the cob you'll ever sink your teeth into. Best corn grilling you'll ever do. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment. Give me thumbs up. Hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.